Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. So today I want to show you how to crochet this little towel holder. This is very handy and very easy to do. You just take 2 curtain rings and then crochet a piece in the middle and sew them on the rings. So let me show you how to do. First, a little about the materials. You'll need some kind of ribbon yarn. I've used this from Hobby and you can see the info right here. This is a bulky weight 5. And this calls for a 5 to 6 millimeter hook. And I've used a 6 millimeter hook. Then you will also need some scissors, a big tapestry needle, and 2 curtain rings. So to begin this, we start with a slip knot. So make a loop with your yarn, take the long end of the yarn behind the loop and grab from the middle and pull. Then we create a chain and you chain up until you like the length. So yarn over and pull through to make a chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And you just keep chaining until you like the length of your piece. I did 38 chains and this measures just about 30 centimeters, maybe 28. That depends how much you pull it. So now we will continue and we skip the first chain and then we do a single crochet in the next chain. So just insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And then do 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way across. When you're all the way across, it looks like this. Then you chain 1 to turn. And then you continue the same way with a single crochet in every stitch. So skip your turning chain, move on to the second chain, insert the hook, and single crochet. And then continue with 1 single crochet in every stitch all the way across. And repeat this step. So just chain 1 and turn, back and forth, until you like the width of your piece. I did 5 rows and that is 5 centimeters for me. So now I cut the yarn. Just leave some yarn for attaching and then pull through the loop like this. And then you find your big needle and thread it. And then you take one of your rings and put this inside, fold it down like this, and then you can sew it on. And you can totally decide how you want this to be, but I'm just pushing this needle through the stitches like this. And then on the back side, you just go through the stitches up and down. Sometimes this ribbon yarn is a bit annoying to sew with, but you could also do it down here just like this. That might be easier. But then just make sure it stays, and then you do the same thing on the other side as well, like this. Then you fold it and sew it on this side. When both rings are attached, you can put it around something, just like this, and then take your towel, put into the rings, and that's it. Then you have a towel holder. That's smart. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!